Hey, how are you?
He wish to kiss you.
What?
Welcome to your vlog.
I'm not gonna lie, solo travel can get lonely. You're alone a lot. But you come to the Philippines and all you have to do is walk down the beach and you meet people. I'll just come here. Okay. All right. Oh, thank you. What's your name?
JR.
JR. Nice to meet you, JR.
Mark.
Mark?
Yes, Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
Jonathan.
Me too. Yeah. But I'm telling you, Filipinos are so chatty. I love it. Where are all the sea urchins? Hi.
Baliko.
Baliko.
Mo baliko.
Mo baliko. Why not balik?
No, balik is word. That's only the word.
Balik is come again. Balik is come again, sir.
Okay, and then baliko is I'm coming back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I say baliko.
Baliko.
And you say balik.
Balik, come again. Paabot me.
What?
Paabot me.
What does that mean?
We will wait for you.
You will wait?
Yes.
Right here?
Yes.
If they see me walking down the beach alone, I'm almost always invited over. It's great. It's perfect for a solo traveler. And they've got little tables. Hello! They've beckoned me over. Kamusta ka? Hey, how are you?
He wish to kiss you.
What?
He want to kiss you.
I don't know her.
No, but they know you.
His birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It seems that we've got competing karaokes. I hear multiple karaokes going on simultaneously. Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. All right, nice to meet you. Ayo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. What's your name?
Anisha.
Anisha? Nice to meet you, Anisha.
Man, you want to eat? So man.
Maybe just a little. Is that okay? Okay. I already ate, but maybe, yeah, just a little bit. Lechon? Oh, you have lechon? Awesome. Oh, this looks so good. So you just take it out?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Just like that? Oh.
Lechon, pancit. Yeah.
Oh, this looks great. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're from,
it's like spaghetti.
where?
I'm from the U.S. Are you from Panglao?
Yes.
Yeah, I love
No,
Panglao.
I came from San Francisco.
San Francisco?
Yeah.
Why are they laughing then?
San Francisco Camotes.
Oh, wait, there's a San Francisco and Camotes?
Cebu.
Oh, I didn't know there was a San Francisco Camotes.
San Francisco. I live my heart
It's okay.
in San Francisco.
I'm going to try this though.
First time here in the Philippines?
Mazarap, Lami.
You live here?
I live here now.
In Panglao?
I don't know yet. I don't know where in the Philippines I'm going to live.
Ah, you live in Panglao. I have a small lot for sale. 300 square meters. Good for you.
I've been in the Philippines for 2 months, 2-3 months.
Which province you've been?
Mostly Cebu and Siargao.
Mostly in Visayas.
First time in Panglao.
Yeah, mostly Visayas. Wait, hold on. I know how to say something. Ibalo ko mu Bisaya.
Okay.
What does that mean? When you travel as a couple, you're less approachable. Most people don't want to interfere with your conversation. But when you're alone, you're much more approachable, from my experience. Locals are much more likely to come up and start chatting with you or invite you over. Were you saying hello to me?
What?
Were you saying hello to me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Ah, you're just roaming around.
I'm just walking around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're on vacation?
I'm going to live here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
You want to stay here in the Philippines?
yeah.
What country are you from?
United States, America.
And maybe you have a girlfriend here. That's why you want to stay here.
No, I don't.
No, you don't.
I don't. Just me. Yeah.
Ah, good boy.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Stay safe.
Thank you, I will. All right, have a good day. And on top of that, another benefit of solo travel is your time to think. When I'm with people and I'm constantly in conversation, I'm not focused on my surroundings and the new town that I'm in, the culture, the food, the smells, the sounds. I'm focused on that conversation. But if I'm alone, I'm well aware of all of my surroundings. You can really absorb a new culture in a different way when you travel alone. So There are pros and cons.
NBA is the best basketball player in the whole world.
NBA?
NBA.
Who's your team?
Last time. Golden State.
Okay, last year Golden State.
Last Golden State.
Steph Curry. Yeah,
Samson.
Yeah. Are you
single?
Yeah.
You find some Filipina.
Maybe.
Filipina.
Do-
You better choose the good Filipina.
Yeah. Do you have any friends? You live in the next village over.
Yeah.
Oh, so you just came here for a birthday party. How old are you today? 24. Awesome. Happy birthday. That's
He
awesome.
looks 23. How do you compare your the culture here in the
Salamat.
Philippines and in Alabama?
How do I compare the culture? The Filipinos are the most hospitable people in the world. Like, you just invited me over to eat with you, and like that would never happen
we
in the
didn't-
US.
We did not go to the hospital.
Hospital? No, hospital. No, the hospitality here. You're so
We
generous.
go to the ambulario, you know? Not to the hospital.
No,
Quack doctor.
no. When you solo travel, you can of course stay in hostels, and I've done it 100 times, and it's great. I've had some of the best experiences, best adventures of my life with complete strangers that I met in hostels. However, there are plenty of downsides, obvious downsides. Snoring is a big one. You never know if it's gonna be a party hostel, if you're gonna get any sleep. But even just here in the Philippines, I landed in Siargao, stayed in Sunlit Hostel. As soon as I arrived in Siargao, immediately met people that were staying in my room. As soon as we put our bags down, we all went out to surf. I don't know how to surf. We just arrived in Siargao, but we're going surfing. So what was your name again?
Justin.
Justin, all right. Justin's got a board.
Fun riding scooters around in the tropics.
Oh, that's all I love doing. I can't wait to explore this island and just
Yeah.
get lost. No plan. The lack of a language barrier here also helps.
Your name, man?
Jonathan, what's your name?
Jonathan?
Yeah.
My name is Money.
Money.
Yeah.
How do you say nice to meet you in Bisaya?
Money.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for inviting me over and sharing the lechon.
No, if you want to eat more, we have spaghetti.
Oh, I just ate before I came here. You know pang chicken?
Yeah, okay, you drink. You
Yeah.
drink.
I just ate a lot of pang chicken before I came.
You have a channel? Like,
Do I have a what?
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Oh, the wind. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You have a YouTube channel.
So I'm so sorry.
What's your YouTube channel?
Travel escapes. Here, I have a card. Hold on. But sometimes, like right now, I like being alone. I personally love waking up before the sun comes up. Everyone loves their sunsets, but I love a good sunrise on the beach. You come down here, no one's out. It's peaceful. It gives you a moment to think. I have plenty of other Filipino adventures on this channel. Here's a couple other ones you can check out now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Just like, maganda ka.
I don't understand that.